we're looking at 94 divided by 3, and I'm going to show you 3 ways. The first way is going to be with sticks and dots. All right? So I need 9 sticks for 90. There's 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I need 4 dots for the 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right? The problem says I'm dividing 94 3 ways. Okay? 94 divided by 3. So I need to take my sticks and divide them into 3 equal groups. So here's 3 equal groups, or here's a group of 3, here's a group of 3, and here's a group of 3. I have 1, 2, 3 equal groups, and they all have 3 sticks in them. Then I can take my 4 ones, and I've got 1, 2, 3 groups of 1. Okay? So I'm going to combine this group of 10s right here with this one, and I get 31 in each group, and there is a remainder of 1. 1 left over. So 94 divided by 3 is equal to 31 remainder 1. Okay? Now that's sticks and dots. Okay? I want to look at it in another way. 94 divided by 3. Okay? And as I'm doing it here, I'm going to be estimating and taking groups of 3 out in chunks at a time. Okay? So I'm going to start with a chunk of 20 groups of 3. Just because 20 is kind of a lot, it'll get me started, and I can go from there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write my 20 over here along the side. Okay? Notice mine is on the right-hand side, not the left-hand side. Whatever works for you is fine, but you do have to keep it neat. So now, I need to figure out, okay, if I take 20 groups of 3, how many is that?
60.
Well, that's going to be a total of 60. So I got to take 60 out of my pile. And I represent taking out of my pile with subtraction. Okay?
What?
So, I'm taking 60 out of my pile. Because 20 times 3 is 60. Since I'm taking 60 out, I'll subtract, and I have 34 left. Okay? I know that I can take more groups of 3 out of 34. This time what I'm going to do is I'm going to estimate 10 groups of 3. Okay? So I'm going to write 10 over here because I'm taking 10 more groups of 3 out. Exactly how much is 10 groups of 3? 30. So I need to subtract 30 from my pile. When I do that, I have 4 left in my pile. If I have 4 left in my pile, can I take another group of 3 out?
Yes.
Yes, I can. I can take exactly 1 group of 3 out, which is 3. So I'll take that group of 3 out, and I have 1 thing left in my pile. Now, what's my answer to 94 divided by 3? I'm going to add these up. 20 plus 10 plus 1 is 31. And I have 1 left over, remainder of 1. Notice I got the same answer when I did sticks and dots. I get the same answer when I do estimate, subtract. Okay? There's one more way. There's one more thing I'd like to show you. Okay? It's similar to sticks and dots without the sticks and dots. First I ask, okay, 3 goes into 9 how many times? Or how many times can 9 be divided by 3? That is 3. I put a little time sign here to remind myself that I need to do 3 times 3 to figure out if I have any leftovers. 3 times 3 is 9. So I'm subtracting 9 tens from 9 tens. I have 0 tens left over. This is an important step that many of you who are trying this algorithm did not do. And that is, okay, you have 1s left. Let's bring the 1s down. Bring the 1s place down and look at this as a new division problem. How many groups of 3 can I pull out of 4? 1 group of 3. So then I take 1 times 3 again, and I get 3. And then I have to subtract to find out if I have any leftovers. 4 minus 3 is 1. So I do have a leftover, and it's a remainder of 1. Okay? 3 successful methods for solving a division problem containing remainders.